We'll get some indoor footage here from the cab. So what it looks like. We're cutting the wheat. Augers it into the center. And then it gets sucked up to feeder housing, gets trashed underneath right beside me here and separated on the sieves and walkers. I'm just going to do my turn here and we'll get some more. Alright, back at it. A little dustier this way, so. But anyway, you still get a good idea what's involved. I should be done this in another hour or so. About 10 acres left. And then my 160 acres of wheat will be done. I'll just give you a view of the green coming out. And if you can't see it the best, I'll wait till the sun is up. The green is higher, you'll see it in the sun. Be more visible. This is my mapping system, just keeps track of my passes and acres, my speed. I'm going 3.7 right now, 10 acres per hour. I've done 1.6 acres on this hopper, 17 acres on the wheel. Instrumentation, cylinder tach, transmission and all. Levers up here for raising and lowering the table and reel, and there's speed adjustment. And a steering wheel, of course. Whoops, I think I just zoomed in, sorry. Blame it on the phone. So what else can I show you? Not much. Oh, the view, I guess. It's a great day in Manitoba. Just some puffy clouds, sun is shining, and a breeze. Temperature I imagine is around 20 or so. It's not a hot day, which is fine. Too hot is no good, because then you crack rain and whatnot. Just perfect. Once I'm done this, we'll be heading to canola swats. I have to switch headers tonight. Gear up for that. So all I gotta do is switch headers. All the other settings is pretty well the same for wheat, so not a big deal. Cylinder speed, you slow that down, that's kind of critical. Don't want to make oil out of the canola before you sell it, because they don't pay you for that. They want nice round seeds. Well, now you can see the grain good. There's the grain pouring out. Told somebody the other day, it's probably loaf of bread every 5 seconds. I'm just guessing. Nice wheat this year. This field's pretty clean. I figure it's going about 40 bushel an acre. I just, near as I can figure. That's a satisfactory crop for me, because I only where is my zoom out there? I only fertilize with seed, 30 pounds nitrogen, about 20 pounds phosphate, no potash. And with wheat, I have 5 pounds of sulfur, maybe. Canola, I usually put 20 pounds sulfur, but that's it. That's all my crop gets. So I depend on the rain and Mother Nature a little more so. My land is doing fine, it's all zero till. I'm getting good results, nice stands, no disease. Happy with that. So I'm going to sign out from Brooksells, Manitoba, on the farm. Hope you enjoyed the show. Oh, you got another jump moment. Empty the truck. To the yard, auger it up to the bin. Load after load after load. lifting the box. I'll overflow my joggers. Can't do that. There's the grain going in. Way up. Fill the bin's full. I'm gonna take a sample, test it for moisture. I'll take a shot with the drone in a bit.